So cell and molecular biology is the study of cells, what makes up cells, so all of the ingredients that go into making a cell what it is, how cells behave, how they communicate with one another, how they age, how they die, how they develop. We look at organisms that are made up of only one cell, as well as more complex organisms made up of lots of different cell types and those specialized cells. And of course, what happens when cells become diseased or they misbehave.
Cell molecular has changed the way I look at the human body. You understand how complex they are. Like a cell, it's like a factory. And in the factory, there's little factories. And you're made up of all these factories. So, you understand how big we are compared to the smaller things. I like cell molecular biology because it's not too big a degree. So you get quite a personal relationship with a lot of lecturers and stuff. So when I initially went into first year, I didn't really know what side of biology I wanted to go into. But you pick modules and it kind of narrows down where you want to go. And I was between genetics and cell biology. If you ever need help or anything, they're always there. I actually, in deciding what degree I want, contacted a lecturer and she gave me a very insightful response and it actually helped me pick which degree I wanted. That's an example of why, kind of personal level of teaching.
So another reason that students might be interested in studying cell and molecular biology at UCD is that it's a very research-led faculty. So we do all types of research. We've got areas such as cancer biology, therapeutics, high-resolution imaging covers some really exciting advances coming out of the school. Another kind of key area is a lot of the translational aspect of some of the research. So research that's being done in cell and molecular biology is actually being commercialised out of Nova UCD into kind of real world products or real world solutions. So lots of opportunity for students to kind of think about the applications of some of the science that they're learning.
You learn stuff in the lectures and it's great learning the theory and stuff. You really get to understand what it all means when you go into the lab and carry out the experiment, see the result. You understand the theory rather than just learn the theory. I quite enjoy cancer biology. That's why I would have gone into cell biology as well, because there's a bit more cancer cell biology than there would be in genetics. So I specifically like cancer biology.
So first year at UCD is a really exciting experience for students. It's an incredibly vibrant campus. I always feel like there's something going on for everybody. A lot of the classes and the lectures in first year tend to be quite big. So to kind of compensate or run alongside that, we also have small group tutorials. So every science student coming into first year in UCD will participate in a module called Principles of Scientific Inquiry, and that allows them to work in a small group with other students and a faculty member and really navigate through that first trimester at university.
I chose UCD because obviously the campus is top of the range, loads of facilities, gym, sports, clubs. Anyone can go there and feel at home. It would have been easier for me to pick a college close to my home, about a 20-minute drive, but instead I chose one an hour and a half away because it branches out from my town. I get to meet new people, live out, really enjoy campus living.
In third year, many students choose to study abroad for a trimester, so that might be the autumn or spring trimester. They might go away to a university in Europe or further afield. We stay in regular contact with them and they choose modules similar to what would be on offer in UCD during that year. During the summer then, between third year and fourth year, many students also choose to do an internship. So that might be with a faculty member in a lab at UCD or further afield. And it's a brilliant opportunity to kind of figure out what area of research you're particularly interested in.
Another reason I picked science in UCD is because there's so many degrees that you can pick from going into first year science. So you have that freedom to branch off into specific areas and you'll get that insight in first year into which area you want to go into.
I would recommend this course to any student who's interested in the biological sciences but maybe doesn't really know what area they want to specialise in. So cell and molecular biology is a brilliant degree for bringing in different aspects of biology. So it encompasses molecular biology, genetics, biochemistry and the biology of the cell. So a brilliant all-rounder to lead you as a springboard then to a further career in science.